We're going to take this inlet pipe off so we can take off the mass airflow sensor and clean it. I don't know if it's showing up. There's a couple particulates in there. Shit, look at that. Bend it all up. Go big or go home. One of the red snaps you got to get there to unlock it. Don't forget to undo the clip from this little rubber part here. Finally got the clip out of the bottom. Hopefully things are going well. Knowing me, I always fuck it up somehow. Now we're going to give it a good cleaning. Some air mass flow sensor cleaner. I happened to just break my tripod trying to film this. That's great. Shake the shit out of it. Clean the reverse. We're going to go back in for round 2. CRC, Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Proven to gain 4 to 10 horsepower at the wheels. How do they prove that? Improves the air-fuel ratio. Plastic safe, leaves no residue. Safely cleans and protects. And here's all the blah 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 blah. Just don't get it in your eyes. And it's flammable. Oh, should be dry. Let's put it back in. Make sure you put it the correct flow way. You don't want to do that in reverse order. Oh, it went back in so easy. Came out like a bitch. Went back in like a... Just wore that bitch out. I've got 2 tickets to Paradise and the mass airflow sensor and its boots all back together. That isn't really one of the problems with the P1105. I just did it anyway. Hope you enjoyed. I'll have plenty more of these to make.